Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. I am Ahmad Jan D. Masukat, your public speaker. Today, I want to talk you about kindness. So, something that might seem simple but good immense power. Kindness is a inward, often characterized by its challenge, com, complexity, kindness serve as a beacon of light. Think about a moment when someone's kindness made difference in your life. It could be smile from stranger on a bad day, a helping hand when you needed it most, or simple act empathy that warmed your heart. The small God creature have the power to bright our days and life our spirits. But kindness isn't just about random acts of moments of generosity. Generosity is a way of life, a mindset that shape our interaction that with others and the world around us. It's about being compassionate, understanding, and empathic for others even when it's not easy. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in our own lives and forget about the struggle and challenges by those around us. But kindness reminds to look beyond our sleeves, to extend a helping hand to those in needed and to build connection based on my empathy and understanding. And the beauty of kindness is that in contagious when we choose to be kind, we inspire others to the same, creating a ripple effect that spread far wide. It's a simple yet powerful uh, to make the world a better place, one act of kindness at a time. So as we go about your day, let's remember that the power of kindness. Strive to be kinder to one another, to lift each other up, and create a world where composition and empathy wine ration. And that's all. Thank you.